Say so long to the 80s, the 70s back in town with cloudy skies and periods of rain today. Here's a look at TrueCast, and you can see that rain will increase as we go through the afternoon. Even a few thunderstorms possible, then the activity should wind down as the evening goes on. There's a very low chance that a few of those storms could produce some gusty winds, possibly some small hail. Heading to the Keith Urban concert this evening at Klipsch Music Center, I think we will have a few of those showers lingering around. Then for Sunday, a dry start, more showers for the afternoon.